that part of making sure that they're able to get a nice at least a 40-hour a week paycheck in the off season is by making sure that we have things for you to do in the off season. And we use these things as marketing tools. For instance, I'll give you the simplest example is, if you have an air scrubber or UV, it has a bulb in it. Well, the bulb has a limited lifespan. Okay, the one we use has a 2-year lifespan. We actually put the bulb in as a piece of equipment, because once I know what the equipment is, and once I know what its install date is, then I can use parameters for marketing. And we'll talk about Marketing Pro in a couple of minutes, but you can create automated campaigns every month that send out to people that says, hey, we know you have a UV light, and do you know the bulb has a limited lifespan, and we see your lifespan is about to expire. If you'd like the protection that UV light provides, we should talk to you about changing your bulb. And that gets us back in your home.
Absolutely. Yeah. And who would have thought to put a bulb in as a piece of equipment? But really, when you think about what you can do and automate some of those communications and marketing in the slow seasons, everybody needs, some people don't even know they need their bulb changed. And how grateful I would feel as a homeowner if you reached out to me and said, hey, our records are saying that it's time to get that bulb changed so we can continue to keep your family healthy. I'd be like, yes, do it. Let's get someone out here. So I feel like it's providing a higher level of service to your customers as well. Like, what a great experience for them that you're tracking that for them. We have too many things we have to think about as homeowners. And so if we have a company that's tracking that for us, wow, that's a huge value.